Just completed installation of the new Range Industries Mariner rack for the Rivian R1T. I have to say, kudos to Range Industries for nice, clean design, excellent build quality, simple installation, and all the instructions were clear and easy to follow. One of my main motivations was to be able to carry my boards on the top, and this brings the back up level with the front, the factory racks. So I'll maybe do an update as I go about things that I'm using it for, carrying ladders and so on. But thumbs up to the new Range Industries Mariner rack for the Rivian R1T, the first real accessory that I've installed since I got the truck. So well done, Range Industries.